Why the heck are HVAC quotes so different between companies? You've been Googling, comparing, and scratching your head over one big question. Why are HVAC quotes so different from one company to the next? Let's break it down together. Training and expertise. First up, expertise isn't just a buzzword. Picture this. Two chefs making the same dish. One trained under the best and the other winging it. That's the difference between HVAC companies too. Solid training and hands-on experience show up in your quotes and in the quality of the work. Parts and quality. You've heard the saying, you get what you pay for, right? Some companies might give you a low price, but at what long-term cost? Premium parts last longer and help you avoid those surprising repair bills. And then there's aftercare, the part a lot of people forget. It's like buying a car and the dealer says, good luck. Yikes. A legit HVAC company sticks around after the install, making sure everything keeps running smoothly. So what does all this actually mean for you and your family? Consistency. The right HVAC company evens out those too hot or too cold rooms. Peace of mind. Fewer 2 a.m. why the heat's making that sound moment. Long-term savings. A well-done job with quality parts pays off down the road. The lowest quote isn't always the best deal. Knowing the story behind the numbers, that's where the real value is. At Affordable Comfort, our quotes aren't just numbers, they're promises. We're in for the long haul, looking out for you and your home comfort. Got more questions or just want to chat HVAC? Reach out today, we're here to help.